Hey there, fun foodsters! Welcome to my mukbang. Today I have an Asian inspired meal. So this is like a vegetable, chicken and vegetable stir fry. So look how pretty. So we have obviously chicken and vegetables. I got these vegetables fresh from the farmer's market. So we have some, I don't know what kind of green beans they were. They're like this big. Some of them were flat. They're huge. I had to cut them up in bite-sized pieces. Flat beans or Asian beans. I don't know what kind of beans they were. The green beans, squash, zucchini, peppers, onions, garlic. And then I made this sauce, Asian-inspired sauce with things that I had on hand. You know, I don't have hoisin or I don't have fish sauce or nothing like that. So instead of the fish sauce, I use Worcestershire sauce because it has anchovies in there. And I use a regular barbecue sauce inside there instead of hoisin. And then just added like stuff like ginger, sesame oil, chicken broth, and then thickened the sauce with flour. Yeah, it's really, really good. So yeah, let's get into this. Here's a big piece of chicken. Oh, this fork. This set that I got. I thought it was gonna be a good set. They're so small. Like, look at this little tiny fork. Like, what that gonna do? See, this right here is bigger to shovel. So good. I also have some of the spicy mustard inside here. Oh, excuse me. I already have some spicy mustard inside here, but I could always use more. On the bottom is brown jasmine rice. The best brown, of course. It wouldn't be a fantastic show if something wasn't happening. I gotta remind my son something. Oh my goodness. Let me turn that off. I've been waiting all day to do a mukbang because of so many things that I have to do, so many things that I have to remind my children, so many things I have to do with my children. Then I keep cleaning. I just got this over the sink dish rack. It got like 3 tiers on it. It's fantastic. It's great for like smaller kitchens. Let me tell you, ever since I got this thing, I've been like cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. You know, when you like organize a room, organize things, you just want it to be perfect, so you keep cleaning it and like we did so much organizing over the weekend, my husband and I. So much. Just got rid of so many things. Because the kids, even my 6-year-old, he hardly plays with any toys. So I got rid of like 80%. 80% of his toys. A lot of it was baby toys. I didn't get rid of it. I wanted to put them out on the curb. I put them in the garage. And then from there, I don't know where they're gonna go because it's so hard for me to let go of stuff. I have so many clothes from all the kids when they were younger and stuff that I no longer wear, all up in the attic. Like, I just hoard all this stuff. sometimes it's just nice to let go of things. But I'm afraid I'm going to be like a couple months down the line from now, or next year, or even 2 years, who knows. Where's that thing that I had? I could have really used that thing, or I could have really used these clothes or whatever. No longer have them. That has happened to me so many times. So that's why I held on to stuff. Even just junk. Where I'm like, oh, I could probably use this for something one day. And those things that I said that, maybe I'll do something with it one day, I threw them out. Finally threw them out. If I'm not using it, if I haven't used those things in a few years, they gotta go. It's just too much. The garage, I can't believe the garbage man took it all too. There was so much stuff that we actually threw out in the garbage. And a lot of stuff that we just took out of the main part of the house into the garage. So we took a bunch of stuff out of the garage, put more stuff in the garage. That makes sense. But I've been meaning to do this for the longest time. Because we have a smaller house. It's under 2,000 square feet with 6 people. It gets crowded with too much stuff. So that's why I was like, you know what? This is too much clutter. It's got to go. Big old piece of chicken. The chicken's so tender. The rice is like mixed in here on the bottom because it added so much sauce that it's more like a soup. When I get a bunch of mixed vegetables from the farmer's market, that's the first thing I think of is a stir fry. Yep. So yeah, when I'm like MIA for a few days, I've either been super duper busy or just like, just not in the mood because some days you just want to throw your hair up, look all extra Nork. Nork is a word that my family uses. It's a city in New Jersey that my parents grew up in. And it basically means like, I guess not put together. I don't know. Sometimes you just want to look Nork, Which half the time, I look Nork anyways going on the show. I play it back. I'm like, girl, what's wrong with your hair? You didn't see that? So, if I'm looking crazy or whatever, just ignore it. I'm a mama 4. have some kimchi over here too. Oh, filling. The only brown rice that I find is pretty dang good is jasmine brown rice. There's only a little bit of kimchi left with a lot of juice. I want to drink that juice right now so bad. Oh. 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 Oh, that's spicy. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, the kimchi was so good. You know I'm full if I'm pushing it around. Did you guys ever grow up where you had to eat your food on your plate? So like you would put it like separate sections of your plate to make it look like there's less? We can't do it. Right. I want to end the meal with more kimchi. That was just too refreshing. And then I'm done. Can't do no more. I'm the only one who eats this. So that's why I could do that. Whew. Excuse me. Somebody requested I do that. So, anyways. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below. Like this video. And I'll see you in my next mukbang. Check you later, guys.